Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'm going to be unboxing two Accio Box subscription boxes, one for July and one for August because I got a little bit behind on the July one. So yeah, I figured I'd just do this video, knock them both out, and then when September comes, I'll be ready for that one. So yeah, here we go. If you're not familiar with Accio Box, they are the only vegan and cruelty-free box in the fandom, so that's always a great thing to support. They also, all of the items in here are designed by fans, small businesses and stuff. So, I mean, it's really cool stuff, very unique stuff that you get in here. Accio Box has been doing book-themed boxes in order for all of the books up until September. September is going to be the very last one for Deathly Hallows. So we have July right here, and this is going to be the Order of the Phoenix, and then we have August right here, and this one is going to be the Half-Blood Prince. So I have been designing exclusive items for Accio Box as well, and if you don't already know, spoilers, I'm about to tell you, each one of the boxes in this series of books, I have been designing an alternate book cover for the American hardbacks, so you'd be able to just wrap the American hardback in a new book cover. So I've been trying to make these like things that you might actually see at Hogwarts, you know, something that's just looks very genuine when it comes to the design. And I hope that I've accomplished that. I know a lot of people really like the book covers, and I really appreciate that. Also, I know Accio Box will be selling the book covers on their Etsy shop after the September box comes out. But there is a catch. The book 7 box, which is going to be the September box, that's the only way you're going to get that cover. They're not going to be selling that anywhere outside of that box. So if you want to get all of the covers in the series that I designed for Accio Box, you have to at least subscribe to the September box, because that's the only way you're going to be able to get that book cover. They will not be selling it, and I won't be distributing it either. I honestly cannot distribute any of these book covers. These are exclusive for Accio Box. And you can get 15% off your box if you want to subscribe to September, and you can use my discount code, Muggle Magic, that's all caps, no space. There's a link in the description box below, and I'll also have that discount code down there so that you don't forget about it. All of that set aside, let's go ahead and open these up. So this one is going to be the July box, and this is for Order of the Phoenix. I'm really excited to get these boxes open and see what's inside. And let's see what we get. Oh, okay, there we go. It actually accidentally started lifting something out, but you can see we have black tissue paper here. That's what it was last month. I think going forward, they're just gonna be putting black tissue paper in, which is fine. I really don't care. This little tube right here, this is gonna be my book cover. So I'm just going to set that aside and I'll open that last. Let's see what else we have in here. First of all, there is no t-shirt. There is something cloth, but I can tell that's not a t-shirt just by feeling it, which is fine. I just really like getting t-shirts. So here we go. What is this? This is a, oh, this is like a kitten thing. Is this for Umbridge? This has got to be for Umbridge. Yeah. This is like, okay, there's like a little pink kitten on here. Is this a magnet? I think it's a magnet. So there we go. You get a little pink kitten magnet to represent Umbridge. You know, you could also just, I'm pretty sure this is a magnet, but you could also set it down and use it as like a drink holder maybe. I don't know though, you might not want to. It might ruin the image on there, but yeah, there you go. All right, and next we have, oh, cool, Grimwald Place. I think this might be a magnet too. Is this a second magnet? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check out the cheat sheet afterwards to find out if these are both actually magnets or not. As you can see, it's got like a thick plastic on top, almost like glass, but I believe it's actually plastic. But yeah, there we go. Moving along, let's see what we have here. This is a pin. Oh, and it glows in the dark. That's cool. It says, neither can live while the other survives. So it is the prophecy That's really cool. That's like one of the coolest pins I've seen. And the fact that it glows in the dark is just like a cherry on top. But yeah, this is the Prophecy, and it looks so cool. Okay, setting that aside, let's see what we have next in here. This is the cloth thing that I was feeling in there, I think. Yeah, it's definitely not a shirt. What is this? Oh, this is like a tote bag. This is cool. Awesome. Yeah, I definitely use canvas bags. So, and this is a, whoa, this is a Dumbledore's Army Still Recruiting canvas bag. That's so cool. I really, really like this. And I always use canvas bags when I go shopping, like if I go to the grocery store or anywhere really, because I don't like to use plastic bags unless I absolutely have to. So this is amazing, and I will definitely be using this probably on a daily basis. Awesome. All right, so the only thing left is the cheat sheet and my book cover. I don't want to like bend the book cover or anything, so I'm just going to put a little cut in there. There we go. That should do it. Obviously, I already know what the book cover looks like. I have not seen it firsthand, but I know what the design looks like. These are just so good, such good quality. I love the paper that they put on. Let me make sure. Yep, it's right side up. So here you guys go. Here is the book cover. And yeah, there you go. This is for book 5, The Order of the Phoenix. This is Crystal Clear Prophecies for the Amateur Oracle. And they always have that gold foiling on them. And then, yeah, the end paper over here just wraps on the inside of the book. And I usually use like a marbled looking end paper, like a very vintage book end paper look to it. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the book and see how it looks. When you are putting this on your book, it's good to get like the spine kind of lined up and this maybe like the front cover or the back cover lined up like this. That way you can just sort of fold the end paper onto the inside of the book like that. And then the rest of it should just wrap around pretty easily like this. Yeah, and then it should be pretty simple to get on from there. There it is in all of its glory. We have the book cover. My two favorite items, if I can't choose my own book cover, my two favorite items from this one would definitely be the Prophecy pin and the tote bag. I love these two items, and I know I'll be using this tote bag a lot. So yeah, definitely those two. And then let's go ahead and just kind of look over the cheat sheet real quick. The tote bag was illustrated by Christina, who's the CEO of Accio Box, which is really cool. The glow-in-the-dark Prophecy pin is by Swish and Flick Co. And you can find them at swishandflickco.com. The kitten plate, oh, it's not a magnet. Sorry, it's actually a car coaster. And it was designed in-house. The Grimwald Place, that was an acrylic magnet. So yeah, I was right about that one, but the other one wasn't a magnet. It was a car coaster. And this one was designed, let's see, it looks like it was also designed in-house by Accio Box. And then we have the Crystal Clear Prophecies exclusive book cover by me, of course. So yeah, that's what we had in this box. Now let's move on to the August box. And I am so excited for you guys to see the book cover in the August box. It was like one of the most fun ones that, the most fun I had designing them. All of them were fun to design, but I think this one so far was my favorite one to design. All right, so let's go ahead and get this August box open and see what's inside. All right, let's see. I'm gonna try not to look. Oh wait, I already saw something though. Oh hey, there is a couple of stickers in here. We have Weasley as our king sticker, so that's pretty neat. So yeah, then we have a hello, my name is Runel Waslib sticker. So this was when Ron's spell checking quill was malfunctioning and he wrote his name wrong. And it is also a wizard rock band, if you did not know. All right, let's see what we have next. It's something teal. I don't know. Oh, it's like a water bottle, I think. Let's see. Oh yeah, cool. It's a teal water bottle and it says Aguamenti on it. I like this. This is cool. I do have a water bottle that I carry around with me myself. There's something else in here. Mine's black, but this is really cool too. And it says Aguamenti on it, so it's automatically better than the water bottle I've been using. Just make sure to wash all parts in warm soapy water before using. So there we go. Very cool water bottle. What else have we got? This box is pretty good so far. What could this be? Okay, cool. It's shaped like Felix Felicis right here. And this is Love Good Bath Potions. Oh, okay, so she has a YouTube channel as well. So this is a bath bomb and it's scented with grapefruit, it looks like. Very cool. And it looks pretty nice too. Very impressive bath bomb shape right there too. What do we have next? There is something else. Wow, I feel like there's a lot more in here. Maybe because there were 2 stickers. Let's see. Oh, cool. Here we go. It says, "Let us step into the night and pursue that blithely temptress adventure." And that is a quote from Albus Percival Wulfric Brian Dumbledore, if you did not know. Next, I think, oh, there is something else. A pin. It feels like a pin. Oh, wow, that's cool. This is an Oddment and Tweak pin, and it is Slughorn's Hourglass. That is so cool. I love this pin. There's just one last item, and that is the book cover. So I will be showing you this right now, and there is something cool that I need to explain about this, because I did see a couple of people who got this mention something about this. So yeah, I'll just kind of, there's going to be some clarification once I get this thing opened up so you can see what you're supposed to do with it. So this is the Half-Blood Prince box. So as you can see, we have the potion making book. And this isn't advanced potion making, it's regular potion making, but it's for year 6. So there you go. I had a lot of fun designing this. There's like writing along the edges here and stuff. So the clarification I wanted to give on this is this part right here, where it says, "This book is the property of," and then it says nothing there. Some people said it should have said the Half-Blood Prince, but you can, it was meant for you to be able to write your own name in there, like right above that line right there. So basically it's just a blank space for you to write your own name in, or you could write the Half-Blood Prince in there if that's what you wanted to do. And then there's also just a bunch of like little scribbly notes and stuff about alchemy and potion making. You've got your cauldron on the front of the book here. I had so much fun designing this one. And then there's also notes and symbols and stuff on this side as well. So yeah, the gold foilings on there too. I tried to design this with the advanced potion making book in mind as I designed this cover, and I think it turned out really good. This is probably one of my favorite ones. So let's get this on the book and see what it looks like. So first we will just line up the cover right here with the book, and then you should just be able to sort of wrap it around and put it on your book just like that. And so here we go. Here we have the advanced potion making book, or not advanced, just the regular potion making book. There's the front, there's the back. This thing is looking pretty good. I like the texture, just turned out so good. And Accio Box does such a great job of printing these with the gold foiling and everything. I love it so much. As promised, here is the stack of the book collection so far. Each one of these covers just were so much fun to design, and I'm looking forward to next month, and also a little bit feeling a little sad because, you know, it's the last one and I've had such a great time designing these for Accio Box. So, yep, there we go. Can't wait for next month. Now, if I had to pick an item in here or 2 items in here that were my favorite, and I can't pick my own book cover because that's, obviously I'm biased, that's gonna be my favorite. I would say I really like the Oddment and Tweak pin, and I really like the bath bomb. I don't really use bath bombs, but I think it's just really cool that it's like a Felix Felicis shaped bath bomb. It's pretty neat. But then I also really like the Aguamenti water bottle. So I'm gonna say those are my 3 favorite out of this box. Let me know what your favorites were out of this box. And again, if you want to subscribe to this box and get your hands on these book covers, the only way to get the 7th one is to subscribe to the September box. And you can use my 15% off discount code Muggle Magic. Links in the description box below. Everything you need is down there, so check that out if that's something that you're interested in. After September, Accio will be selling the book covers, a certain amount, not a whole lot of them, but they will be selling a limited amount of these for people who missed out on them, but not book 7. That's the only way you can get that is through the September box. Anyways, yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.